Here we got 65 Pontiac Catalina Ventura, 455 crate engine, 550 horse, 10 to 1 pressing. Not stock, man, but a Pontiac motor. I love these Pontiacs. This is when DeLorean was making these things. Got the American flag on there. Patriot. Got the fuel pump pressure.
65, huh?
Yeah. 65. The blue wires on it. It's got a heater in it. They always take them heater hoses off and cap them off all the time. So, oh, look at the gauges down here, man. It's pretty sweet, huh? Look at that gauge, man. It's a multi-gauge down there. Air conditioning under the floor. Look at the, you know, on the dash. I mean, look at all that instrumentation there. We're crying out loud, man. You see how the pods are all kind of like tilted towards the driver from the factory, you know? Everything's like visible, really good. And of course, you got a two-tone interior. And what the hell else do you need, man? I mean, is there, you know, if these cars didn't rot out, dunked them in Cosmoline or lizard skin down the inside of them all the time, you'd be fine, every single one of them. Sweet car, man. Catalina. See? Fender skirts, 5-spoke wheels, looking bad, man.